Students, in this video, we will do book exercise on page number 48-49. Read and answer. Read and answer. Choose the correct option. A part. How did the fox get into the well? Options are: he jumped in. Second option is he lost his balance and fell in. Third option is the goat pushed him into the well. Students, you know, how did the fox get into the well? He hit a big rock, lost his balance and fell into the well. So the correct option is second one. He lost his balance and fell in. So we will take second option. B part. He could not get out because. What was the reason that he could not get out? Options are: 1. He could not climb out of the well. Second option, a lion was waiting outside to eat him. Third, he was waiting for his family to rescue him. You know that he tried to get out of the well, but because it was very slippery, he could not climb out of the well. So the correct option is first one. He could not climb out of the well. So we will take the first option. C part. As part of his plan to get out, the fox, options are: 1. Began to cry loudly. Second, began to sing loudly. Third, began to scream. We know that he had an idea. His idea was to sing loudly. So the correct option is second one. Began to sing loudly. So we will tick the second option. D part. The fox got out of the well by. How did the fox get out of the well? Options are: 1. Tricking the goat into jumping in the well. Second, asking the goat to throw him a rope. Third, pulling the goat into the well. We know that the fox tricked the goat by saying, I am drinking the sweet water of the well. Would you also like to have some? So the fox tricked the goat. So the correct option is number 1. Tricking the goat into jumping in the well. So we will take the first option. E part. In the end, the fox climbed out of the well by. Options are: number 1, climbing on the goat's back legs. 2, eating the goat. 3, climbing up the walls of the deep well. We know that the fox asked the goat to stand on her back legs. As soon as she did so, he quickly climbed on her back and jumped out of the well. So the correct option is number 1, climbing on the goat's back legs. Students, you have to complete this book exercise on page number 48 and 49. Thank you for watching.